Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve this problem. So the given problem is find the total inductance of the three coupled coils. Okay, so L1 is one inductive coil, L2 is another inductive coil, L3 is another inductive coil. They are coupled to each other. We need to find out L equivalent. Okay, now let's try to find out step by step. Okay, so first one, L equivalent is equal to, let's try to write down for the first coil. So first coil self inductance is how much? L1. So but the mutual inductance for coil 1 and coil 2, which is nothing but M12. So here you can see here the dot is there at the entering of the coil. Here also the dot is there entering of the coil. Therefore the inductance you are going to get it as a plus M12. Okay, and coil 1 is linked with third coil also. Okay, so therefore the dot is there at entering and here also dot is there at entering, therefore you are going to get M13. With this the first coil is completed. Okay, coil 1 is completed. Now plus, let's try to write down the coil 2 effect of self as well as the mutual. So coil 2, the self inductance is how much, which is nothing but L2. Okay, so coil 2 is linked with coil 1 with a value of M12, and here the mutual value, so the dot is there at entering and the dot is also there at entering, therefore you are going to get M12 plus. Okay, and coil 2 is linked with coil 3 with a mutual inductance of M23. Here the dot is there at entering and dot is also there at entering, therefore the mutual value you are going to get M23. So with this coil 2 is completed. Now we are going to write down for coil 3. So for coil 3, let's try to write down the self inductance. The self inductance is L3, and for coil 3 is linked with first coil. Okay, with value of M13, and this mutual value, the current is there at entering of the dot and current is also there at entering of the dot, therefore you are going to get the mutual inductance M13 as plus, and the coil 3 is also linked with coil 2, therefore you are going to have M23. Here also dot is there at entering, dot is also there at leaving. So the technique of writing is, first we want to write down what are the values of self inductance, and then we have to write down the values of mutual inductance, and this mutual inductance value also will be positive only when coil is, I mean, dots are there at entering. So you can write down the positive only when the dots are at entering. If the dots are there, I mean one dot is there at entering and one dot, I mean first dot at entering and another dot at leaving, which indicates that you have to keep negative polarity. Okay, this is how to write down entering of the dot and leaving of the dot. Okay, so this is how we are going to get. Okay, so this is how to write down. Now just substitute the values. So L equivalent L1 is how much? 1. M12 is how much? 0.5. And M13 is how much? 1. Plus, what is the value of L2? L2 value is 2. M12 is how much? 0.5 plus M23. M23 is how much? 1 plus L3 value is how much? 5, and M13 value is how much? 1, and M23 value is how much? 1. So just add all these things. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, and this is 0.5 plus 0.5, we are going to get 13 entries as the value of L equivalent. So this is the technique of solving the problem. You may ask a question, sir, what is the meaning of this dot? So dot indicates the starting of the winding. Okay, so this indicates starting of the winding. Okay, so you will have an iron material and you're going to start the winding here. Okay, if you start the winding, so this is an iron core material and you're going to start the winding. When you're going to start the winding, therefore you are going to represent. Okay, so like this coils may be there and you are going to write down it as a starting of the dot. Okay, so whenever it is there at starting of the dot, then automatically you can confirm that this is the starting of the winding. Okay, and without dot indicates is nothing but leaving of the winding. So that is how to solve this kind of problem. If you feel my lecture is useful, please give an like to the video and share the video with your friends. And if you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel with the name KV Thulasi Ram, and kindly support this sort of free channels for the development of students and faculty. Will meet in another good program. Yours, Ram.